In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Auto Layout Wrap. If you've ever laid out a row of buttons, tags, or cards and wished they would neatly flow to the next line when the container gets narrower, Wrap is exactly what you need. It keeps spacing consistent while letting items automatically shift into the next row, all inside a single auto layout frame. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type Figma and open the official website. If you're prompted, sign in so you can browse and open files. Once you're in, you'll see navigation that includes the community area. This is where you can find ready-made files that demonstrate features like auto layout and wrap. Click Community and look for designs that showcase auto layout. You can search for terms like auto layout wrap, chip components, or tag grid. Open a file that includes a frame with multiple items in a row. Many community files are set up so you can select a component and immediately explore how it behaves, which is perfect for understanding wrap without building from scratch. With a suitable frame selected, look to the right sidebar for the Auto Layout section. This panel shows direction, spacing, padding, and alignment. Find the Wrap option and click it. If you don't see Wrap, make sure you've selected a frame or component that already has Auto Layout applied. Wrap only appears on auto layout frames. After enabling it, items in that frame will flow onto new lines when there isn't enough room in the current row. Now you can move the objects as one. Because everything sits inside a single auto layout frame, dragging the parent frame moves the entire group together while preserving spacing. Try resizing the frame by dragging its edge narrower and wider. As the width changes, watch the items wrap to the next line and unwrap back into a single row when space allows. This gives you responsive behavior right on the canvas, perfect for testing how a component behaves across different widths. A few tips as you explore. Adjust the gap setting to control the spacing between items, and tweak padding to manage the space around the whole group. Change the direction to horizontal when you want rows that wrap, or vertical for columns that wrap downward. Alignment controls how items hug the left, center, or right within each line. If wrapping doesn't behave as expected, double-check that you're resizing the parent auto layout frame, not an inner element. That's it. Auto Layout Wrap lets you build flexible, tidy layouts that adapt in seconds. Try it on chips, buttons, and card lists to see how much time it saves.